Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun. She puts her
good morning everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Time it is 8 o'clock. I am in Chengapalli. So this is Chengapalli bypass NH47. So if you're going this side, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So if you're going this side, you will reach Salem, Erode and more places. Okay, so again I am going CCD. So today I asked for a ride, 600i and also ZX Trainer. So let's see that bikes come, so I will surely ride. So if you still not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. So if you have any suggestion, please give a suggestion, so I will improve or I will change. Okay, so let's get it into the video. So I am going in our Yamaha R3. So this is Yamaha R3, my bike, 2020 model. This the last edition of BS4. Our bike only. Looking nice, right? Beautiful machine. So, oh my god, he coming fast. Okay, okay guys, let's go. Good morning to all. I think you guys okay, so this is ZX Trainer, brand new. So and also GSXR 1000. So last week I rode that. So and also Benelli 600i and Ninja 1000. Sorry, Bala Bro Bikes. So and also this is Benelli 600i Sudev Bro Bikes, and also here Kawasaki Z1000. So this is, I don't know who's this bike. Wow. Also we have a Ducati Multistrada. Wow. He is the Benelli 600i owner, so Sudev bro. Hi bro. Bro, tell me about this bike.
This is 2017 Benelli 600i.
2017. Okay.
Real channel this model.
Okay. Why do you choose this bike?
Very simple. I'll be able to easily drive inside city.
Okay.
On highways, I want to go on a tour. It's easy.
Okay.
Plus, it's pocket friendly. Maintenance is not that expensive.
Oh. What is the maintenance cost? Around.
Except for the oil, you're looking at maybe around 2-3,000 for the filters.
Okay.
And maybe about 2-3,000 for the spark plugs.
Okay.
Also the genuine one, not the aftermarket one.
Okay.
And
oil.
Yeah, oil. So
okay.
Oil, it depends on which oil you pour it away. So you can go for Montiel or
lithium oil.
Lithium oil, whichever, whatsoever.
Okay. What is the mileage of this bike?
Good question. Use it properly. If you cruise it on a highway, somewhere between 20 to 22 you'll get.
20?
Yeah. Somewhere around 20 to 22 you'll get. If you
okay.
want to drive like a proper full-fledged super bike, you're looking at maybe about 10 to 12.
Okay.
So really depends on the driving style.
Okay, okay. So 20 to 25 it's giving. What about the exhaust?
Okay, this got a carbon fiber Scorpion exhaust system.
Carbon fiber, fully carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Okay.
Like doesn't matter how much ever you rev.
Okay.
There's not going to be any heat which is going to emit out of this.
Okay.
It was imported from Indonesia. Quite expensive. I think it's just one of one in all of India.
Okay.
So that's the reason when you turn it on, when you go on full throttle, it will sound like a 1000cc vehicle.
Okay. RPN exhaust sound. Okay, no. So this is RPN exhaust sound. Red power.
It doesn't matter. See, for a small example, I rev so much, okay? I
Yeah.
will not be able to see any sort of heat. Just
Oh!
yeah.
Ah! No heat.
There won't be much of heat emitting at all.
Okay. Okay. இப்படிடா இப்படிடா யூடியூப்க்கு அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் So this is Benelli 600i 2017 model. Wow. Okay. But it control look like So guys, this is Benelli 600 2017 model. So I rode it. So whenever I riding super bikes, so that time my camera making some issue. So I think my camera and between me, so I don't know, the connection is lost. So this is Benelli 600i. Wow. So seriously, I love this RPN exhaust. So seriously, nice. Okay, so they are waiting for breakfast. So once I reach the CCD, we go for breakfast. Okay, let's go with Benelli 600i. Thank you, bro. Sudev, bro. So okay, so again I'm start this bike. Okay. vlog எடுத்துட்டு BMW S1000 RR 2024 model. Wow. to breakfast. He is our hero. அண்ணா இது நான் தனியாக ஒரு வீடியோ இது பண்ணிக்கிறேங்க. தனியாக எடுத்துக்கிறேங்க. என்னென்ன எக்ஸாஸ் வச்சுக்கிறேங்க போட்டு ஆன் பண்ணி விட்டுறாங்க. ஆமாங்க, நம்ம இதெல்லாம் ஸ்டாக்கு. நம்ம இதெல்லாம் வந்து ராயல் சவுண்டுண்ணா. ஸோ அவங்க இதெல்லாம் வந்து ராக்கெட் சவுண்டு. ஆமாங்க. எங்கேங்கண்ணா? அவ்வளோதாங்க, அங்கே நிழல் இருக்குதுங்க. நீங்கள் போடுற காற்று. We reached Shakti Mess, so which is located in nearby Vijayamangalam. So bike park here. So actually he's shocked about this bike prices.